Take action. It's a phrase we hear all the time at business meetings, during inspirational speeches, and on TED Talks. But what does take action mean to the average person? For most, it's a boost. They already know what they need to do, they just need to hear the right words. Once delivered, especially when delivered as part of a longer motivational message, people stop loafing, reaffirm their goal, and go about making it happen. The encouragement doesn't stop there. This energy of taking action quickly spreads to their friends and family, to social media, and gets stronger as it reaches farther. Why should you care? What if I told you that you could leverage the concept of taking action to drive tons of traffic to your own site or product? How about if you didn't have to do any of the tedious editing or guesswork involved in picking just the right image, filtering it to convey a mood, and selecting the perfect quote to match? Help others take action and make sure it's the action that you want. Sharing an image of your brand. The image is called a quote poster, and you've seen them time and time again. They spread over the internet like spilled coffee beans spread across your keyboard, getting into every crack and crevice of the web. All of the images, 100 of them, come fully ready with an inspirational quote to mobilize your audience. Inspire them to take action in their own life, and they will inspire you with their ability to spread your content. Each of the 100 high-quality images comes with the PSD source file, so you can modify them any way you like. Add your company logo. Add your URL directly into the image, a tactic used by Change.org. Add your link, and put them all over social media. Then, with just a sprinkle of luck and timing, watch as your post goes viral. Viral posts like this don't stop. Maybe a year from now, it will cross your own social media wall, and you'll look at it and wonder, this again? That's the power of social platforms, and it's not to be wasted. So take action. There isn't a moment to lose. Learn more details, view the image previews, and secure your copy on the page below.